Hello! In this video I unbox and fully set up Canon Color Laser Multifunctional Printer. I cover the following in the video, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner. There are more models of MF660 series, with small functional differences. Find details in the product online manuals, where you find information about supported functions and options. Here is the box, and I put on the screen the size and weight. Let's open and see what's inside. Here are the cables, the power cable and then telephone cable, which is only in the box with the model that supports fax function. In the hard copy pack there are safety instructions and warranty document. Here is software DVD, but you can download latest drivers from the web page. Setup guide with QR code guides to online manuals. First I unbox the device. To get the device ready for setup, I need to remove all the orange tapes. I power on the new printer for the first time. I set it up and connect to network. Select the display language and then select the correct country. After I select date and time, I need to select the remote user interface, PIN and password, so I can make settings to my device remotely. I input password for general user mode. Next, I load office paper to paper cassette. Auto color gradation has started. It is recommended to be set to auto for the best print quality. For my device, I use Ethernet network connection. The on-screen QR code guides to download the Canon Print App and suggests to register device to use it from mobile. Open the app and follow my steps to add the new device. I have already registered Maxify GX series model, which is business inkjet alternative to color laser. See the review in the upper right corner of the screen. My printer has been added to the app. Tap the printer icon and select Remote UI. I select admin mode and use my admin PIN and password. So I log in and can access the printer status and all the settings. More settings and useful tips for setting up find in the next video in the upper right corner. Let's print a document for demonstration from the mobile. But before printing starts, I need to finish setup from the device screen. To reorder the menu icons, it's like the smartphone. Press and hold the screen icon, log in as admin and then drag and drop to organize your device to be more productive. See my complete guide for application library in the upper right corner of the screen with the previous generation. And it's the same on this generation. And that would be all in this video. So if you found this setup useful, do not forget to like or subscribe to support my channel. See more in the playlist, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.